Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Payday 2 game not launching or not opening, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check the system requirements of the game. So after going to Steam, search for the game and go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. These are all the required specs, minimum as well as recommended, mentioned over here. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will take some time, and once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to remove or uninstall mods or disable it. So if there is any mods enabled, then you are suggested to disable all those mods, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run the game as administrators. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to enable or disable use HQ weapons. For that, you have to go to the game settings. After that, check whether use HQ option is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, you have to enable it, or if it is enabled, you have to disable it. After doing this, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next method is to run Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. It will download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to click on it to open, and after it opens you will get a repair or install option. So click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and once the process is finished, you will get setup successful message. Close this. After that, restart your PC once, and after that log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. So search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After the game is added, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. Here you have to click on Windows update option, and here you have to click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and once done, now try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC, and after that launch Steam, and again reinstall Payday 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.